Adobo ako ng chicken wings sa gata. Nilagyan ko yan ng siling labuyo kasi minsan masarap ang may konting anghang. Pero nilalagay ko minsan sili, ayoko na mga powder. Nagisa ko na po yan, may timpla na lahat. At nilagay ko na tong gata ng nyog. That is chicken wings with coconut cream and chili, garlic and onion. We called it adobo sa gatang chicken wings. Thank you for watching and kindly follow for more of my videos. That is our dinner or merienda o hanggang ilang araw na naman bago maubos. Thank you for watching.